hot soup. Our friends at Chunky have come out with a ghost pepper chicken noodle. It's so spicy you have to sign a waiver to try it. They say you have to sign a waiver, but it's kind of a gag. The waiver is, you understand that there may be tears and involuntary tanning of the mouth area and things like that, or fanning of the mouth area. Anyway, that's pretty funny. But what you did, if you want, this is over now, but if you were one of the first 500, you got this cool kit that had a can of soup. It also had a little fan that's powered by USB. It had some Kleenex to wipe your tears with. It had some kind of cooling towel. I think it had a t-shirt, something like that. Anyway, it's pretty awesome. So Chunky Soup. A friend of mine that I used to work with, heck, 20 years ago, I posted this on LinkedIn that she worked on it. So it's kind of cool. Kind of neat to see that. So anyway, that's all I have about Chunky Soup.